Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, national champion Jael Hyde says he has a lot to be grateful for after finishing sixth in the men's 400-meter hurdles at the World Athletics Championships on Tuesday. Hyde did not add to Jamaica's medal tally on day 5 of the championship, despite running a personal best of 48.03 seconds. Hyde's time puts him third on the Jamaican all-time list.
Has the belief, he has the desire, and he has the talent. The Viking roared in Tokyo, but tonight belongs to Alison dos Santos.
Now, Brazilian Alison dos Santos took the event in a championship record of 46.29 seconds. The American duo of Rai Benjamin and Trevor Bassett finished second and third, respectively. And Jamaica will look to qualify 8 athletes to 3 finals at the World Athletics Championships in Eugene, Oregon. Ticks over into day 6 later today. National champion Genevieve Russell will line up in lane 6 in heat 1 of the women's 400-meter hurdles semifinal. And this comes up at 8:15 after winning her heat in 54.52 seconds on Tuesday. She will have for company defending champion and former world record holder Dalila Mohammed from the United States. Reigning World Championship bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton will have a tough semifinal as she runs from lane 8 in the second section at 8:24 p.m. Clayton is drawn with the American pair of Britton Wilson and Shamira Little in lanes 5 and 6, while medal favorite Femke Bol of the Netherlands will run from lane 3. And Cheyenne Salmon runs alongside world record holder Sydney McLaughlin of the USA in semifinal 3, starting at 8:33 p.m., following a second-place finish in her heat in 54.91 seconds. Meanwhile, national champion Candice Mccloud will look to make her second successive global 400-meter final as she lines up in semifinal 1 at 8:45. Stephanie Ann McPherson is drawn in semifinal 2, while the fastest Jamaican this year, Cherokee Young, will test her speed against Paulina in semifinal 3. Olympic finalist Christopher Taylor in semifinal 1 and Nathan Allen in semifinal 2 will look to book their place in the final of the men's equivalent, which starts at 9:15. National champion Navasky Anderson will also make his senior international debut as he lines up in heat 3 of the men's 800 meters first round. All eyes will be on the women's 200-meter world record on Thursday after national champion Shericka Jackson cruised to the 12th fastest time in the history of the event in winning her semifinal on Tuesday. Jackson leads all competitors going into Thursday's final after stopping the clock in 21.67 seconds. Jackson will run out of lane 4 and will start between American Tara Clark in lane 5 and defending champion Dina Asher Smith of Great Britain in lane 3. Shelley and Fraser Price, who clocked a season's best at 21.82 seconds to finish ahead of American Abby Steiner in 22.15, will run from lane 6, while double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Hero will start from lane 2 after securing one of the non-automatic qualifying spots for the final after logging a season's best of 21.97 seconds for third in her semifinal. And that's it for your midday sports report. It's back to you, Anthony.
All right, thank you very much, Bernardo. And that's the midday news. I'm Anthony Lugg. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.